on Hilo. Joe and I have never been to the Big Island of Hawaii before. The Pride of America does Hilo one day and Kona the next. We had signed up for the Rainforest Zipline and Waterfall adventure excursion on Hilo. It was so awesome and it was so fun. I'm actually surprised that we've never ziplined before because we would have been doing it quite often. The zip line offered 7 different zip lines. It started with the shortest distance and ended with the longest distance. Each one was just getting better and better. There was also a suspension bridge that we loved. Oh, pretty. We might need the information booth. Oh, maybe not.
Claim this one right here.
I claim them. 45 years.
45 years, let's go. I like the brand new spanking Crocs. Brand spanking. There you go. You're gonna stand up, shimmy those right over your shoulders, and hang on out, okay?
I won't lie, I was nervous about doing the zip lines, but after doing the first one, it was like, bring it on, baby.
To get rid of that nerves is to scream all the way down, okay? The louder you scream, the faster you go.
Okay. This one here, right?
Yeah, that one right there, the one with red
Okay.
always. We're gonna wait till she clears and then you can head on out, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so this right here, you see this guy, don't look him in the eye. He's real scary, okay? He just got off of our probation.
Oh, no.
Are you ready, beautiful lady?
I am ready.
And 3, 2, 1, kill it.
Woo! Oh! Woo! Wow! Where's he at? There he is.
Yeah. Okay, so you guys been to Disneyland? Who's been to Disneyland?
No.
Yeah.
You
guys have been to the jungle cruise?
This is called a kaimani nut, or
It's
kaimani
just what
tree.
it's going to be like.
Okay. So this design that is leopard print is throughout the tree. They actually make hardwood with this. So they made like pottery, wood pottery, weapons, stuff like that. Yeah, you can touch it.
And what is the tree?
It's called a kaimani tree. And then it has these nuts on the ground.
Yeah.
So these, you actually, there's a way that you can carve the outside. You can spin it with a rope.
That was fun.
Smell good, right?
Smell it again.
So this is a thing that we do here in Hawaii. It's
What's
called
it smell like?
rite of passage. You guys know
Well,
what
like
rite of passage is.
elephant
So we're
bunghole.
gonna have you guys do in Hawaii. We like to see if the men can rip that apple open. Are you guys ready to try this out? Are you guys ready? All the men in 3, 2, 1. Try it out. Go. Get it. Let's go. First one to break it open. Let's go. You guys here correct. So the only people that can open that are
Elephants, guys.
Oh, like on the elephant.
sorry. We just like to make a little that's what we like to do.
So that's why you couldn't rip it open.
Yeah, we can open that. Yeah. Are you guys ready for the next?
Alright, we're gonna stand up right there, plant your feet right there, and then.
Oh, we're going another one?
Yep.
Oh.
There we go. Keep those arms in, keep those legs in. The trees are a bit closer on this line. You're all clear to go.
Our guides were so professional, making sure that we were all safe. They were also fun and truly made it an adventure for us. They got me and Joe all pumped up and eagerly looking forward to the next zip line. Whoa. Boy, this is shaking a lot. Whoa. Holy moly. Joe, stop shaking it so much. That's Our guides were Ivory, Lish, and Jordan. Great job, guys. Woohoo!
I got you, boo.
Okay, this is my best expedition so far.
I'm glad you're having fun. You're having the banana leaves to wrap up everything. Yeah, that's what tea leaf is for here in Hawaii. And then it's also used for, it's a good luck. It's a good luck plant. And it's also a, what you call?
Oh, I don't know. Your story.
No, I'm looking for the word. It's also a, what are they, when you like keep out bad spirits?
Oh, yeah, like not a voodoo thing, like yeah, I know what you mean.
You know what I mean,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, yeah.
The
So
bad
I was trying to
spirit
put a
keeper
word.
outer.
Words are hard. So yeah, it's a keeper outer. We'll go with that.
Yeah.
A keeper outer. Yeah, and it's super good. They plant it around people's houses, in the four corners of their houses. You'll see it in cemeteries all the time. Yeah, so it's just to keep out the bad spirits, you know?
Okay, perfect.
How you guys doing down there? What's your name, my man? Joe and
Linda.
Linda. What you guys racing for?
He's giving me a massage.
Wow.
No, he's not going to pay you to let him go last.
Let's go. We got Joe and Linda up here, and Linda's getting a massage, period. Okay, Linda, there we go. You're gonna hang out right there?
Okay.
Lish said, I want a massage.
Did she say go or? I don't think she did. You say go?
Right on right there? Okay, you guys ready for us?
I'll even let you get a head start.
We are
Oh.
sending in 3, 2, 1.
so fast? Did you do that on purpose? Or was it the way the
I gave myself a running start.
huh?
I was able to
But
give
you were
myself
like
a running
behind me for a little bit.
start. And I gave myself a running start.
Oh, okay.
Never she said the heavier or the faster.
Yeah, that's why I was surprised you were behind me.
No, because I let you go first and I gave myself a running start.
So fun. Having a great time ziplining. Was that our last one then?
No, we go to Waterfall now.
Oh, a waterfall? We'll zip line over it?
I don't know if we zip line over it.
Oh, that would be cool. So beautiful. This was the last zip line and the best as far as I was concerned. While we really didn't go over the waterfall, we were close enough and we did end up crossing over the stream the waterfall created.
Now we just wait.
We've also found
Copy that. We have Stella and Cruiser coming down. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
waterfall's beautiful. Oh. Our day came to an end with the zip lines. It was an experience I will never forget. I'm so glad Joe and I signed up for it, and especially that I didn't chicken out of it. It was a day filled with happiness. When we got back to the Pride of America, we saw that there was going to be a ribbon lay making class starting soon. We hightailed it over there and we learned how to make a ribbon lay. There was a little confusion at first, but they make it easy on you by showing how the lay is made. They also wait a little for you and answer questions. Joe made his before me. I still had a little ways to go on mine, but I just took it back to the cabin to finish later. It was really fun wearing them, especially knowing we had made them. So, I was wondering how I was seeing you. It's on the patio door. We are in Hilo, Hawaii. The ship leaves in just a little bit, and then tomorrow we'll be in Kona, Hawaii, the big island. And today we did zip lining. We did 8 different zip lines. It was awesome. We had a blast, and it's the first time that Joe and I have ever zip lined. And we should have tried it a long time ago. The last one was really cool. It went over a waterfall and the stream that the waterfall made. It was so beautiful. I fell in love with it. But anyway, we're still in Hilo, getting ready to leave. Because he's not touching us. You think there's one on the other? No, we're by the dock on the other side. No. Yeah. Is our front moving? Is he pushing the end of the boat? You going behind it? So he's going to push it out then. Well, he's going to push the front out. We had so much fun ziplining today. Our first time ever at age 64. And I think we're hooked. Bye, Hilo. We had a blast. Had a real blast. Airplane coming in, or nope, airplane leaving. Nope, yeah. I think they're leaving. Or maybe not. Maybe they're coming in. I don't know. Oh, it's got to be coming in. They're getting lower. Yeah. Touchdown.
I think in the post office, whoever is the guy doing it, maybe it'll meet Curtis or something.
Thank you so much.